Hey guys, how's it going? This is the HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be another featured channel of the week video. This is a small video series that I created to help promote some of the smaller channels, and please stay tuned for the channel that we're going to be featuring this week in just one moment. For anybody that might be new to my channel, this is going to be my featured channel of the week video series. This is a video series that I started to help promote some of the smaller channels. One thing that I noticed when I first started making videos is sometimes you can type in people's channels verbatim and other people's content will start to show up. It is really hard to get your channel to pop up in the search algorithm. A lot of it comes through how often your videos are viewed, how many subscribers you have, and just how active you are. I created this series to try to do my part to bring some life to some of the smaller channels and really help give them the boost that they need to get started in lock sport on YouTube. This is a really fun video series, and I highly recommend that you check back and look at all the other channels that I've highlighted. They are all very special channels, and they are really worth checking out. And what I'll do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out some of these smaller channels. They are really fun to watch grow and always see all the new content that they are making. But what I have for you today is going to be a very particular channel. This channel is just a little bit under 100 subscribers. The person that runs this channel has been picking for about 2 years. He first got into lockpicking when he was overseas. He is really into working on cars and just mechanical stuff in general. While he was overseas, he was not able to work on the cars like he used to, but he found locks, and he found that that was a really great mechanical substitution, and he has not looked back ever since. He is really growing in lock sport, and he has a really great influence. When he first got into YouTube, one of the channels that really first helped influence him was Bosnian Bill's channel. That helped inspire him to start to make his own channel and start getting involved. But it wasn't until West Coast Picks had a challenge that he wanted to enter, and that is when he finally pulled the trigger and made his own YouTube channel. He has really been a great member of the community. He has gotten into 3D printing things, but one of the great community things that he has done is he has started a new Discord server. Traditionally on r/lockpicking, you can see the Lockpickers United Discord, but what he created was the Extraordinary League of Pickers. This is a Discord channel that he created that has more of a focus on fun and community, and it does not have any of the ranking. I personally find both Discord channels to be really fun and interactive, but I highly recommend you check out his as well. So without further ado, the channel that I'm going to highlight today is going to be Ryan McCreary. Ryan McCreary goes by a few different names. He goes by Ryan M, Ryan McCreary, and Big Choppers 2003 on Discord. He's a very easy guy to stay in contact with. He's a really great guy to get to know, and he is very involved in the community, and I highly recommend you check him out. When his channel hits 100 subscribers, he is contemplating changing the name to Moving Picker, and that will be pretty cool because that is the name that he would like to have, and I'd really like to see him be able to set up the channel the way that he feels will be best for him. So what I have for you right now is I'm going to roll a quick clip of one of his videos so you can see what his channel is like, and then after that I'm going to roll a clip showing a few words from Ryan McCreary himself.
What's going on, folks? Alright, I'm gonna knock out a challenge lock tonight, or today. This one is, if I got the right key for it, I believe so. This one's Spitballin' by Bear's Back. These are El Cheapo cylinders. I've had several of them. Locksmith I knew back where I was living, they just, anytime they'd pull them off of a building, they threw them away because they were that cheap. And before I begin, go check out Discord. Links in the description. A lot of great people in there. Go check it out. Other than a broken pick, because I don't have easy access to get these picks. This is a multi-pick. Their pick prices aren't bad, but it's just the shipping that'll get you. There's a counter and I click on 3. 5 gave me the false setback. There we are. There's just something about picking it with bottom of the keyway tension the way I had it. It didn't like it. Alrighty, so we're looking at serrated keypin and driver for 1 and 2. Standard for the keypin on 3, a spool on the driver. Serrated on keypin and driver for 4. And then a spool for the driver and standard for the keypin on 5. So, until next time, folks, check us out. Discord's link in the description. And if you guys have any issues, getting on Discord, shoot me an email. My email is going to be the same place down below, along with Bearsback. I'll put his channel in the description too. Have fun, folks.
Alright, so what I have for you now is going to be a few words from Ryan McCreary himself, talking about how he got into lock sport and just some background information on him, and I really hope you enjoy it, and it's going to roll for you right now.
Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, I'm gonna do a quick little introduction and what it is and why it is I do what I do. So, I've got, as you all see, I've got my YouTube channel. Started after I watched Bosnian Bill pick a few locks, mostly make fun of Master Lock, and I decided I wanted to give picking a try. And I actually started the channel after I entered a contest for West Coast Picks challenge. And he kind of gave me the motivation to continue making YouTube videos. And while I've been doing that, I've also been doing some, I've also started working with some 3D printing stuff, and I've also started up a chat server for lock pickers. We've got a bunch of people on there, a lot of great guys, people from all over the world. We've got, I don't even remember everyone that's on there anymore, but it's a server that's meant for people just to get on there, talk locks, and enjoy themselves versus worrying about ranking or who's a better picker or anything like that. We want to sit there and have fun, not, be in competition with each other. We all know where we stand individually, and that's all that matters. But definitely, but yeah, I've been picking for about 2 years. I've been collecting locks for a little while too. But yeah, that's pretty much about it for me. Had to have some hobby to keep my mind sane, and this worked out pretty good. It's very mechanical, and that's what I need. I believe that's about it. Definitely appreciate you guys watching, and check out Discord and come visit us and come talk with us. Alright, have a good one.
thank you guys so much for checking out Ryan McCreary. He's a really great guy. He is always making new content, and he's a lot of fun to watch grow. I'm really excited to see that he is going to be changing his YouTube channel name soon. And on top of that, just watching his Discord server grow in general, it is a really cool thing to watch. I really enjoy watching all of these smaller channels grow and see them become the channels that they will be in the future. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel directly. And if you enjoy what you see, you can consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell. Each subscription really helps these smaller channels start to grow much higher in the search algorithm, and it just really makes their channels stand out much more. I thank you everyone that helps support all of the smaller channels that they enjoy. If there are any channels that you watch regularly that you have not subscribed to, I highly recommend that you just hit the subscribe button, and you do not understand how much even just one subscription can really make a difference in one of these video creators' days. It is really fun to see all the feedback from the community, watching the subscriptions grow, and just really just having a lot of fun putting out some content. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This has been my featured channel of the week on Ryan McCreary. He's a really great guy, and I highly recommend that you check out his channel and click the notification bell. If you guys have any channels that you would like to recommend that I make a featured channel of the week on, please leave them in the comments below, and also feel free to send me an email at HelpfulLockPicker.com recommending one of the channels you'd love to see me do. You are more than welcome to recommend your own channel. You do not need to just recommend others. But either way, guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out. I am so happy to see my channel growing, seeing all of the other channels growing, and this is just such a fun community, and thank you to everyone that helped support it. Thank you guys, and have a great day.